Hey Beauts, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Folake. I create content related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes nursing. Today I'm going to show you how I go from this to this in a matter of 10 minutes. So you're probably wondering why I'm cheesing so hard. That's because I'm excited to show you guys how I style our new straight ponytail extensions from Stdio Beauty. So this is me unpackaging. I have a 16-inch straight ponytail from Stdio Beauty, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. It's essentially a wrap-around ponytail, as you can see here. There's a piece that you literally just wrap around to your hair. There's 2 combs on the top and at the bottom. Of course, it's true to length, and the hair is just nice, soft, and smooth. First, I'm going to start out by straightening my baby hairs and just like the parameter of my hair in general, because as you can see, it's pretty frizzy. Now I'm going into the shaping of my ponytail, so I'm basically trying to figure out how I want to style it. You can style it any type of way you choose. You don't have to leave any hair out in the front. This is just what I felt like doing in the moment. And later in the video, you actually see that I end up changing the style a bit. So yeah, just go ahead and play around with it, figure out which way you want to put the ponytail, and kind of just start slicking down those baby hairs and edges as much as you can. Okay, so at this point, I'm trying to tie my hair up, and then all of a sudden, it pops. So we're just gonna go ahead and get a new scrunchie, try to put it up again, and this time, hopefully, it doesn't pop on me. Stays together. Yes. Okay. So we're putting on some hairspray, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair down real quick. Okay, so now I'm using my holding spritz as well as my free spray from Ebin and a blow dryer to kind of just mold my hair into place. And so you're kind of just going to do this for each quarter of your head. So I'm starting off with this quarter, then I'm going to move to the other side and kind of just do the same thing, spraying, drying, sleeking. Okay guys, in a minute I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm done molding. Keep in mind that my hair is natural and I'm doing this hairstyle with a 1-week-old silk press, so obviously it's not going to be completely straight. This is what it looks like, and let's get into this ponytail. Like, yes. Okay, so my hair's braided down. We're going to basically wrap it around the base of my braid and just do it continually like so. Here's me putting on some more lip gloss because you can never have too much. But yeah, y'all go shop the Liquid Gold lip glosses at Stdio Beauty. Okay, look at that color, it's so pretty. That's interlude on my lips, by the way. Shop Stdio Beauty. Let's go ahead and take off this scarf and see what we got up under. Drum roll, please. Okay, it's giving. Little 360 face card. That's the way you act. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. I was complacent. Now you wanna have conversations. Yeah. Got a lot of bands, got a lot of Chanel on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend it off. I gotta calm it down. Got a lot of style, got a lot of Tiffany on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool it down.